WhatsApp update, new features you must try. Some common features rolled out to both Android and iOS users are View Once, multi-device support, the ability to join ongoing calls with an invite and more. Here is a list of the new features you should try out. WhatsApp, the instant messaging app owned by Facebook, has introduced many new features for its users of late. Some common features rolled out to both Android and iOS users are View Once, multi-device support, the ability to join ongoing calls with an invite and more. These features will let users get a better experience with WhatsApp. If you are not aware, here is a list of some new features added to the platform. View Once. This is a feature that originated in Snapchat, and the other social media platforms followed suit. It lets users send View Once, aka disappearing photos and videos that the recipient can view only once before they vanish. So, if users send such a media file, then it will be deleted after the recipient has opened and viewed them once. It can be used for sending sensitive or temporary information such as passports, but recipients can take screenshots and save the information. Chat transfer between Android and iOS. Another useful feature is the ability to transfer chats between Android and iOS and vice versa. You can use the Smart Switch feature to back up the WhatsApp chat history and files and transfer these to any device irrespective of the OS. Multi-device support. Recently, WhatsApp hit the headlines as it introduced the support to use the instant messaging platform on multiple PCs and laptops, sans the necessity to mirror it from the primary smartphone. Besides this, WhatsApp Web already lets users connect their phone to the internet and use the messaging platform on their laptop or PC. Joinable Calls. This is yet another new and interesting feature rolled out to WhatsApp for Android and iOS. Users can join an ongoing voice or video call after the call has begun. Similar to Google Meet and Zoom video conferencing tools, people who miss a group voice or video call on WhatsApp will be allowed to join at any time as long as it is going on. Until the rollout this feature, users had to hang up and restart the call to let in new participants. Have you tried these new WhatsApp features? If not, you can update the app on your Android or iOS device to the latest version to enjoy these features.